The LiquidFlow 30M has a main control box which incorporates a 5.6-inch colour touchscreen. Within the touchscreen we can input a number of different functions, recipes, anti-gel time shots, ratio inputs and various different other options that we can put on there. The machine has a main off-on switch which we can turn the machine on and off, which enables the 2 gear pumps to drive. We have an emergency stop button which is latched, so we can push this in and unlatch this. It's an emergency stop, and a reset button. When we hit the reset button, it sets the machine working. If we have a fault on the machine, we can go into the screen and we can reset the faults on the screen. The machine also has a service indicator lamp at the front.